Slippers and dream meaning and symbolism. Have you ever dreamt of slippers in your dream? If yes, do you know the meaning behind it? We all know that slippers are very comfortable to wear, but dreaming about slippers do have a special meaning because in most cases they reflect your day-to-day activities. Sometimes these dreams carry a important message for us, and it is important not to neglect these meanings. Dreams about slippers are often related to topics such as home, family, and comfort. Slippers in dreams symbolizes protection, property, and security against evil and bad things from happening to a person. It often indicates satisfaction and feeling happy because of some decisions you made in your current life. Dreams about slippers warns you that you are about to perform an unfortunate alliance or intrigue. You are likely to find favor with a married person, which will result in trouble. To dream that your slippers are much admired foretells that you will be involved in a flirtation which will suggest disgrace. The slippers in the dream represent the most intimate feelings and emotions of a dreamer. To walk around the house in slippers could be a sign of physical or mental exhaustion, but also indicates a relaxed state of comfortable intimacy. To find yourselves in the street with slippers instead of shoes reflects insecurity, embarrassment, or fear. The dream is afraid of not being up to the speed in real life. What should you do if you have these dreams? If you wore slippers that you didn't fit in the dream, it may be a sign that you are not able to be honest with yourself. It may be that your thoughts are different from your actions. Also, this dream may tell you about refusing to adapt to what people expect from you. It also means that you will soon change your attitude in understanding something. Do you need to be worried if you see the slippers in the dreams? To be honest, 50% yes, 50% no. There are some positive events ahead of you. It is possible that you will soon visit people you love, but who you often fail to fit into. Everyone has their obligations that keep you from dating, but you will have the opportunity to remember how you had fun in the past. Do not be worried if you have this rare dream, but think about the dream and what you can learn from it. There are different circumstances in where you can see slippers lying around or other situations. So to dream about a slipper means that you will be buying the same thing again and again. So if you dream about one slipper, it means that the dream is often related to your romantic life. It could indicate needing to choose between two people, or it could indicate divorcing and marrying again. If you see a dream of new slippers, it means that it is a good sign indicating the possibility of acquiring some property of great value. If you dream of a worn slipper, that indicates that you are going to acquire some old property without value, but you will be happy for getting it. If you dream about your slipper or slippers being stolen, this means that it is a bad sign in general, but it is a dream where a certain pair of slippers are stolen indicates the loss of comfort and commodity in your dreaming of very soft slippers. If you dream about seeing or wearing very soft slippers, the dream could reveal your tendency to show off. Maybe you tend to buy things you don't need to, simply because you enjoy putting them on display before other people. It could mean enjoying bragging to others with your wealth. If you dream of trying on a pair of slippers, dream could mean a sign of acquiring a new vehicle. Sometimes it could mean that someone from your family will acquire a new vehicle. Dreaming of someone's slippers. If you dream of wearing someone else's slippers, this could mean or this could indicate you becoming close with someone to satisfy some interest you have. Maybe you will try to manipulate that person into doing something that is helpful to you. Dreaming of slippers falling off your foot. If you dream that slippers fell off your foot while you are walking, it could indicate being successful in selling some items you don't need anymore and earning a decent amount of money from them. We will discuss every circumstance in a separate individual video, and please stay tuned for that. Thank you very much for watching this video. I'll see you next time.